learn about ATM machines. What is an automated teller machine or ATM? Automated teller machine is a computerized machine that provides the customers of banks the facility of accessing their account for dispensing cash and to carry out other financial and non-financial transactions without the need to actually visit their bank branch. What are white label ATMs or WLAs? ATMs set up, owned and operated by non-banks are called as white label ATMs. Non-bank ATM operators are authorized under Payment and Settlement Systems Act 2007 by the Reserve Bank of India. What has been the rationale of allowing non-bank entities for setting up of WLAs? The rationale of allowing non-bank entity to set up white label ATMs has been to increase the geographical spread of ATM for increased and enhanced customer service. What type of cards can be used at an ATM or WLA? The ATM come debit cards, credit cards and open prepaid cards that permit cash withdrawal issued by banks can be used at ATMs, WLAs for various transactions. What are the services or facilities available at ATMs or WLAs? In addition to cash dispensing, ATMs and WLAs may offer many other services or facilities to bank customers. Some of these services include account information, cash deposit, acceptance of deposits are not permitted at WLAs. Regular bills payment not permitted at WLAs. Purchase of reload vouchers for mobiles not permitted at WLAs again. Mini or short statement, PIN change, request for checkbook. What is Personal Identification Number (PIN)? PIN or PIN is the numeric password which is separately mailed or handed over to the customer by the bank while issuing the card. Most banks require the customers to change the PIN on the first use. Customers should not disclose PIN to anybody, including to bank officials. Customers should change the PIN at regular intervals. Can these cards be used at any bank, non-bank ATM, WLA in the country? Yes, the cards issued by banks in India may be used at any bank or white label ATM in the country. Is the customer charged for ATM transactions? With effect from November 1, 2014, savings bank account holders can do a minimum of 3 transactions, including both financial and non-financial transactions free of charge in a month at other bank ATMs in case of ATMs located in 6 metro stations, viz. Mumbai, New Delhi, Chennai, Kolkata, Bengaluru and Hyderabad. At other locations, the savings bank account holders can transact a minimum of 5 transactions, including both financial and non-financial transactions free of charge in a month at other bank ATMs. Similarly, basic savings bank deposit account holders will continue to get 5 free transactions. Banks on their own can decide to offer more number of transactions free of cost to their customers. In case of charges to be levied on customers, the customer can be charged a maximum of ₹20 per transaction plus service tax if any by his or her bank. What steps should a customer take in case of failed ATM transaction at the other bank, white label ATMs, when his or her account is debited? The customer should lodge a complaint with the card issuing bank at the earliest. This process is applicable even if the transaction was carried out at another bank's non-bank's ATM. In case of WLA, the contact number or toll-free numbers are also available for lodging complaints regarding failed transactions at their ATMs. Is there any time limit for the card issuing banks for recrediting the customer's account for a failed ATM or WLA transaction indicated under the previous question? As per the RBI's instructions, banks have been mandated to resolve customer complaints by recrediting the customer's account within 7 working days from the date of complaint. Are the customers eligible for compensation for delays beyond 7 working days? Yes. Effective from July 1, 2011, banks have to pay compensation of Rs 100 per day for delays in recrediting the amount beyond 7 working days from the date of receipt of complaint for failed ATM transactions. The compensation has to be credited to the account of the customer without any claim being made by the customer. If the complaint is not lodged within 30 days of transaction, the customer is not entitled for any compensation for delay in resolving his or her complaint. What is the course of action for the customer if the complaint is not addressed by his or her bank within the stipulated time or not addressed to his satisfaction? The customer can take recourse to the banking ombudsman if the grievance is not redressed by his or her card issuing bank.